If you want to know how I achieve these silky smooth results on my type 4 hair, keep watching as I go through my full at-home silk press wash day routine in under 5 minutes. My first step is to pre-poo my hair with this mint almond oil blend. I apply some to my scalp, massage that in for a minute or so, and then I put any of the excess on my ends before I let the oil sit for about 20 minutes. Then I hop into the shower for my first cleansing step. It had been a couple of weeks since I last washed my hair, so I wanted to do a light cleanse and a quick towel dry before moving on to the treatment steps. If your hair has a lot of buildup, I highly recommend doing a light shampoo before you apply any targeted treatments so that you can make sure your treatment products can fully penetrate your strands instead of sitting on top of your hair. I like the Olaplex Bond Repair products, and I'm starting with Olaplex Zero. I apply that in sections and let it sit for about 10 minutes before applying the Bond Rebuilder, which is number 3 in the Olaplex line. If you don't want to buy both of these products, I highly suggest focusing on number 3 because this is the one that actively repairs the broken bonds and damaged parts of your hair. I use about a $50 amount of number 3 per each section of my hair, and I have broken my hair down into 4 sections here. When it's time to rinse out this treatment, I use Olaplex number 4, which is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I really like this shampoo, and a little bit goes a long way. After that's rinsed out, it's time for my deep conditioner, which is from Mielle. I keep my hair section throughout my entire wash day routine, and as you can see here, I'm applying the deep conditioner section by section. I almost always use heat when I deep condition for better penetration and moisturization. I bought this hair drying bonnet attachment from Sally's years ago, and I love that it doesn't take up that much space and it travels really well. I apply medium to high heat for about 20 minutes, and when I rinse out my deep conditioner, I really focus on getting every last bit of product out of my hair and off my scalp, because starting with a really clean base goes a long way in making sure your end results have a lot of movement and aren't weighed down by any leftover oils from your conditioner. I shampoo my hair twice during this next step, and when I'm ready to rinse, I change the setting on my shower attachment to the option that has the most water pressure, and then I point that directly towards my scalp in smaller sections to make sure I'm getting everything out. Next, I towel blot my hair to remove excess water, and then I apply the It's a 10 leave-in to prep my hair for blow drying. After the It's a 10, I apply a blowout balm from Nexxus that I forgot to show here, but it is listed down in the description box. I used my Dyson Airstrait to blow dry, and then I went to sleep for the night because your girl was tired. The next day, I started prepping to flat iron my hair by applying a heat protectant from Redken. I like this product because it's also a holding spray and it keeps my hair from frizzing when I work out or when I'm outside in this Houston humidity. I also use the Denman Thermoceramic straightening brush since this helps me get smooth results while only using 1 pass per section. My flat iron is the Dyson Corrale straightener, and I use this on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I go in using small sections and I make sure each section is detangled before I pick up the straightener. And this is just me showing the real actual speed that I am moving at when I'm going section by section. When I was done with the back section, I did big pin curls to give the hair some shape while I moved through the other sections of my hair. And here you can see I'm just moving on to the middle section of my head where I complete this process over and over again, going section by section, making sure that my hair is detangled, using my brush to stretch out my hair, and then following the brush or chasing it with my straightener. I use a 1/2 inch flat iron from FHI on the shorter hairs in the front, and then I switch back to my Dyson to finish up the rest of my hair. This is what my hair looks like when it is all pin curled. And this is me taking out the pin curls about an hour later on the way to dinner. I was really happy with these results. My hair was flowing and the pin curls gave me some great volume and body. So now I'm just doing a little bit of finger combing to get my hair to fall the way that I wanted to. Give this video a like for more hair content and drop any questions or comments you have down below. And as always, thank you for watching.